Hey, what's up? I'm Troubleshoot. I was hoping for a slightly better edited video, but as you can see, I'm in Borderlands 4, and if you're looking to use shift codes, well, as soon as you open the screen here, it'll black out anything that you're recording. So literally the game window in the background has just gone black. There's nothing on it, so I'm unable to record it using normal means. But essentially, if you're looking to use shift codes, all you need to do is either pause your game if you're in-game or head back to the main menu and head down to shift. Either menu should have the same screen. Then on the account section here, you'll see your shift profile if you're already signed in. If you're not, you'll need to head across to shift.gearboxsoftware.com/home linked down below, and you'll need to create an account right here. You won't be able to sign in using Steam or anything like that just yet. You'll need to hit create your account first, then select Steam or whatever, or create an account with your email and set up things that way. If I sign in here with Epic Games, for example, we'll still need to create our account using an email, name, password, etc. If you create your account or sign in with Steam, you'll still need to set your email by clicking Edit right over here on this page. Then you'll also need to set your password on the password page right over here. Finally, you'll need to actually confirm your email with whatever is sent to your email address. Click the link, you'll be taken back to here. Fantastic. You've now created your account, and all you need to do is make sure it's linked with your Steam account or wherever you own the game. Then when you tap back into the game, head back to the SHiFT page, you'll either see your one-time code or something can't generate, something like that, restart your game, and you should see this over here. Fantastic. Otherwise, head back to shift.gearboxsoftware.account/link, and you can punch in your device code right here if you're doing it on a phone, for example, and it should link it with your game. Once you've finally done that, head back to in-game, pause, or main menu shift. Then on the rewards tab over here, you're able to redeem your codes in this block here. I've already redeemed 2 codes, both of which you'll find down below. One of them is supposed to be permanent, the other one's supposed to run to the end of September. They'll both give you a golden key for free. This can be used in-game to open unique chests found in Belton's Ball, the Launchpad, Corcadia, the Lockaway, to receive rare and powerful items. Fantastic. That's really that. I unfortunately had to use a phone to record this. As you know, OBS is literally just black. Even though you can see the start bar, the game is just blacked out. As soon as you open this tab, it just vanishes. Everything else works just fine. But anyways, if you're looking to actually find shift codes, there's a few places that you can find them. First of all, Shift tab. You can head across to guides or discussions at the very bottom. Otherwise, have a look on Twitter, or X as it's called now, for Gearbox Official, at Gearbox Official. You'll find these linked down below. At Duval Magic, Randy Pitchford's account, and finally Gearbox Software on Facebook. You might find codes dished out here, but I assume Twitter is probably the easiest place to find things like this. Do keep in mind there are other places where you can see these codes, but either ways you now know how to claim them and actually use them. So yeah, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Thanks for blacking out the screen so I couldn't record it like normal. Hopefully you found this quick video useful. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.